SpaceX didn't want to complicate the process, and so choosing a pressure for the suit was a constant fight between safety and mobility. SpaceX's suit had to meet NASA's minimum requirements of 40 kilopascals to avoid decompression sickness. This is quite high compared to other spacesuits, so we can assume that SpaceX didn't go much higher than that. The air we breathe on Earth is a mixture of 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. But since the pressure inside the suit is lower, the astronauts wouldn't get a sufficient amount of oxygen. Some suits tackle this by making the air inside the suit pure oxygen. The SpaceX suits use a custom air mixture with a higher percentage of oxygen that can be varied automatically by the onboard life support system. But it's how this pressure is managed that makes SpaceX's suit even more impressive. Spacesuits typically have multiple valves and pipes on the outside to control the suit's pressure and temperature. SpaceX managed to combine all of these down into just one single port with a hole for air circulation, a power and communications connector, and a port to quickly inflate the suit during an emergency. An umbilical cord connects the suit directly to the astronaut's seat. This is where the real magic happens. Here, there are a series of solenoid valves that automatically control the pressure of the incoming air. A separate valve in the spacecraft allows chilled nitrox to flow into the suit's air duct, keeping the suits cool during re-entry. The pressure and temperature sensors inside the helmet feed the spacecraft with information, allowing it to automate the process. This level of automation took away the need for astronauts to manually adjust their suit pressure, allowing the designers to get rid of the bulky valves on the outside of the suit. Not only did this make the suit much lighter than the space shuttle suit, but it also made it much easier to put on. On the space shuttle suits, the helmet, gloves, and headset were all attached separately using bulky metal rings. On the SpaceX suit, the gloves and helmet are already attached, and the headset is integrated into the helmet. All of this means that an astronaut can suit up all by themselves in just a few minutes. The space shuttle suit, on the other hand, took more than 20 minutes and required help from several technicians.